Hello everyone, welcome back to Education World. In today's video, we will be discussing about one more website where you can do free courses and get a certificate upon completion of the course. So in today's video, the website we are going to discuss is Kaggle Learn, which offers various courses regarding data science, artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, and so on and so forth. So what you have to do is search Kaggle Learn on Google. When you search this, you will find this type of page, and you have to click this first link, Learn Python with. You will be navigated to this page. So if you don't have any account for Kaggle, you have to create it once. Upon creation, you will be navigated to this page. So these are the courses which Kaggle is offering. Intro to programming, where you will be taught about Python, and then intro to machine learning. Pandas means this is one of the library of Python. Intermediate machine learning, data visualization, future engineering, SQL, advanced SQL, deep learning, computer vision, time series, data cleaning, intro to AI ethics, geospatial analysis, machine learning, and intro to game AI. So these are the courses which you can do and get a certificate. So in order to enroll, you have to first, as I said, you have to create your account on it. Upon account creation, when you click this course, you will be shown here enroll. I have already enrolled and completed 40%. So this is Python course, where here you can find its lecture and then its exercise. Upon completion, you will get a certificate.